What's going on? What's going on? Hey, it's your boy Ty back with another banger. So today, right, we're gonna talk about FOMO, the fear of missing out. So a lot of people think, I gotta switch my Forex strategy, or the market's gonna leave without me, or the greed starts kicking in and shit like that, right? So really, what's really going on inside of your brain is you're just too emotional. At the end of the day, you're too emotional. You've really brought all your feelings in the market, and the market truly does not care about what you feel. You need to come into the game, see, and react. You know what I'm saying? There's no feeling in there unless you trust your gut feeling, and your gut is telling you, man, this may not be the trade. Okay, that's when you should listen to what you feel. You get what I'm saying? But the fear of missing out and why it's affecting your trading, why it's affecting you, right? Growing to that next level, and then why, sometimes it just seems like it's hard to scale. So the fear of missing out is really, really cool. And how you can get over this hump is to know that the market is going to be there every single day. Every single day. You know what I'm saying? Monday through Friday. And then if you trade cryptos and stuff, then you got the weekends too. So literally 365 days a year. Okay. So you have to look at it like, all right, what is my opportunities today? Right? Get in, see what opportunities you have, take those opportunities and get on. What's cool about life, right, is when it comes to consistency, sometimes you may not hit the number that you want for the day. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it may be above, and that's a great day. Obviously, when you make more money than you want to make, you like, hell yeah. You gonna clap it up, you know what I'm saying? But then sometimes you may not hit the mark that you want to make, but that's trading for you. You know what I'm saying? You might be like, percentage wise, or not even percentage wise, maybe you have a dollar amount, right? So maybe you're like, yo, I want to make 2,500 today. And then you run up and you make 2,100. You can be like, fuck it, you know what I'm saying? That's a cool day. The fear of missing out kicking in and be like, nah, I gotta go get the boom boom. And next thing you know what I'm saying? You're in the fucking red. So how to control that? How to control the little voice? Because sometimes trading is truly all about psychology. We could do charts, but you don't need that. You get what I'm saying? Once you figure out a good strategy and you're starting to win, well, your psychology needs to be on point so you don't stop doing the shit that is helping you win. But why people get into 30-year losing streaks, and they get into these crazy losing streaks, is just because you're not doing what you were doing when you were winning. You get what I'm saying? So what you need to do is you need to go back to the drawing board. Like, you can literally go back. Like, I got this paper right here, right? It's a notebook. All right, so I gotta find a blank page. I went to this little Grant Cardone seminar, so got this little notebook. All right, write this shit down. Ask yourself a question, bro. What do I need to get better at? Right? You can be like, what do I need to get better at? What do I need to get better at, right? While trading. Do this exercise. Literally write that shit down. And then do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I don't mind the writing. It's going to be a little bit sloppy because I just wanted to get this over with, you know what I'm saying, and actually write it and knock it out. But fuck, ask yourself some questions, man. Be real with yourself. Be real with yourself. You know what I'm saying? What do you need to get better at? It's like FOMO. Okay, yeah, FOMO, fear of missing out. Why are you afraid to miss out? Because you're fucking too emotional. That's why you're afraid to miss out. Afraid, that's a feeling. Afraid is a feeling. The fear is a feeling. You get what I'm saying? The fear of missing out. You got to break that shit down. You're afraid because you feel like the market's going to take off without you. Guess what? If you went to sleep right now, right, it's going to move. It's going to do whatever it's going to do. Sometimes it may be some great trades, but how many times have you came to the market, right? I don't know, like let's say you've been trading for like 1 to 2 years. Okay, cool. How many times have you came to the market and you damn near see that same push? Oh, I could have made money on this push. Oh, I could have made money on this push. But how many times has that happened? You feel me? Probably a lot. Keep it a bean with you. Shit. You're probably like that, okay. Well, next time the push comes, but see, now you're getting smarter. You're planning. You don't have the fear of missing out. You got the mindset of abundance. That's what's going to take you to the next level. All right. So let's talk about that abundance mentality. Like my nigga Gucci Man said in that one song, he was like, miss one bus, next 15 one coming, or something like that, which basically meant like, hey, if you miss a bus, man, the next one's going to come in 15 minutes. At the end of the day, if you miss a trade, okay, fuck it. It is what it is. You just missed that trade at that particular moment, at that particular time. You feel me? But look, you gotta stop. Like, it's all about your attitude and how you approach shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, if your attitude all fucked up in life and the way you look at things in life is all fucked up, you know what I'm saying? Like, some people, like, their scopes, like, they be in my comments and it's like, from how you talk, I know kind of like where you're at, you know what I mean? Mentally in life, because people who are in certain places, they just move differently at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? Even when they question something, they just question shit differently. You get me? Like, Like if you're not where you want to be, but then you're closed-minded. It's like, what the fuck? How, you literally can't even afford to be closed-minded, nigga. Like, you need the information so you can grow. Yeah, but hey, at the end of the day, I'm not forcing any human to grow. Why? Why the fuck would I do that? Why would I waste my time trying to force you to grow when there are people who want to grow? There are people who want, you know what I'm saying, to go to that next level. What you really need, what's really going on, you know what I'm saying? It ain't even that they're being forced to grow, but see, they're so used, like maybe their parents babied them and shit, you know what I mean, did everything for them and stuff, and then it's like they don't know how to be independent. So, you know, then you get out into the real world and it's like, yeah, you nigga, you gotta be a fucking adult. You have to be independent. You know what I'm saying? But back to the fear of missing out thing and why, you know, a lot of people get emotional. They feel like, you know, they're going to miss out on some shit. It's just because you're not seasoned enough. You get what I mean? So you need to be in the game more. You got to keep your head in the game more. You need to figure out how you can be more focused. Figure out how you can be more dedicated to your craft. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people are not even dedicated to the craft. And you talk about some fucking FOMO. How you been afraid of missing out on some shit that you're not even involved in like that? You know what I mean? So definitely, you know, trades come around every single day. If you missed a trade today, fuck it. If you took a week off and came back the week after, you're still going to see those same setups, the same opportunities. Okay, you know what I'm saying? Maybe you didn't get in all the way at the bottom, but then where you got in, shit, you were able to make your bread. So then I feel like another thing that comes with this whole FOMO shit is because you don't have a trading plan, or if you do, you're not sticking to it. You get what I'm saying? Like, shit, having a trading plan is kind of like having like a gym routine. We speak about that all the time. When you get up, how much weight you loading up, you know what I'm saying? Shit, your diet, you get what I mean? So all of that shit kind of goes into, you know, having like a dope ass routine. You need a fucking routine to do stuff. Man, NBA players have a routine. NFL players have a routine. The top chess players in the world have a routine. Anybody who's successful has a routine. So if you don't, I mean, shit. Well, that's the first thing we should work on. Getting you a fucking solid routine so you can be hitting. Man, look, I'm trying to take y'all to the next level. I told you, these new videos are going to be all about growth. The thing is, I get bored really, really fast. And it's like, I look at some of the Forex channels, I'll be looking at like the number of subscribers to the number of views and stuff like that. And it's like, damn, if I keep going, like, nigga, the channel going to be fucking dead as shit. So the thing is, I just got to mix my shit up. Yeah, we're going to do some Forex and stuff. We still got, you know, the series that I'm doing, the truth about Forex and things like that. But all in all, like, we taking this shit to the next level. I'm telling you, within the next year, right, I'm gonna be able to make videos, open up fucking boxes of food, nigga, doing hella fucking views, just people tapped in because the energy. It's about the energy, you know, and that's really what YouTube is about. It's having fun. So I don't want the Forex shit to suck all the fun out of my life, you know what I'm saying? And the thing is, like, I gotta make videos like these, you know what I'm saying? Just because, like, the old shit, that shit boring as fuck, that shit depressing, nigga. I don't know how y'all sit through that shit. I guess because you like looking to learn this shit, but a nigga like me, I get bored fast. You know what I'm saying? So I need entertainment, I need excitement, I need it gotta be going the fuck on for me to be really locked in. And the Forex industry is boring as shit. You know what I'm saying? Bunch of old people making old rules, still on old models and concepts. Bro, we are over that shit. It is, what is it, 2022? Exactly. It's time to move the fuck on. Just to keep it big with you know what I'm saying? So that's kind of like where I'm at with it right now. And we all about growth, man. This channel is all about growth. So I had to smack the agua, you know what I'm saying? So if you definitely looking to grow, smash the like button, hit the notification, hit the bell. I'm gonna be probably dropping, I can do videos like these like 2 and 3 a day, you know what I'm saying? Just cause it's not about being motivated, it's not about being, oh, I need to be pumped up. It's all about changing your mindset. And I can give you strategy. Nigga, I've given you probably like 50 fucking different things that you can do. And people still, well, how do I do this? Nigga, after 50 videos and the live shit and you still don't know, what you need to do is you need to go spend some money, have somebody sit down and walk you through this shit. You get what I'm saying? At that point, because I mean, it's all about growth. You get me? So let's grow. Let's take shit to the next level, man. It's your boy Ty. I got another banger coming in a second. Like I said, I can cook these motherfuckers. I could cook these. All right, let's get it. Peace. Gone.